Why do you want to study here?
Because this pen is renowned for producing quality people.
Why should we examine you over of candidate?
Because I have the right ability, ex- ex- experience, and an active attitude.
How would your benefit our university?
Feeling anchored in all activity to bring renown to the university.
What is your greatest achievement?
I won a silver medal in a physics exam.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Having job security and living a modern, contented life.